reduce cost. It covers both solid wood and panel processing, scanners, meeting your production needs in one stop. Solid wood processing series, cutting off saws for precise cutting, sanding machines for smooth polishing, and cutting machines for efficient material saving, suitable for processing various solid wood panels and wood blocks. Panel production series like edge bending machine for flats and glue-free lines, roll drills for precision and efficiency, cutting machines for one-key forming, greatly improving production efficiency. Sorry, I simply didn't open the mic. Okay, let's continue, okay? All equipment adopts brand accessories with solid materials and stable operation. Whether for factory use or dealer stock preparation, the cost performance is full. We will show real machines throughout the live stream and explain the material parameters, materials, and after-sales service and operation skills of each equipment clearly. Don't leave missing it is a loss. Now we come to show you the edge bending machine series first. So first, we come to the edge bending machine, automatic edge bending machine. Today I will introduce two essential edge bending machines for panel furniture. One is our XR1100J automatic edge bending machine, perfect for mass production and high standard finishing. The other is the flexible manual edge bending machine, which can do both straight edge and curved edges. Ideal for small batches, samples, and special shape parts. Both have clear advantages. I explain everything so you can choose easily. First, I'd like to introduce our XR1100J automatic edge bending machine, especially used for high efficiency edge bending of panel furniture. Let's come close. It's specially used for high efficiency edge bending of panel furniture, wardrobes, and cabinets. All functions are complete with smooth edge bending, no glue lines, and high efficiency. Very suitable for mass production in furniture factories. This machine is equipped with 6 core functions as standard, finishing all processed in one pass. Let's check one by one. First, this is the control panel. It's very simple. Here can show you the temperature and can control the temperature. And here is the power line, and here is the emergency stop button. And this is light. If you work in night, we can open the light. Okay, this is heating. You need to open the heating button before working. So like 30 minutes, I think. If it's very cold on your side, then maybe need more times. So this is heating. And this is the power switch. Of course, after you connect the power line, first you need to open the power switch. Okay. Remember to lose the emergency stop. Or if you, like this, push down the stop button, then you open the power switch, the machine still not working. So you need to lose it. Now it's loose. Then open the power switch, the machine will work. And then remember, before we start working, you need to open the heating. The heating needs about 30 minutes to ready. Normally we use 180 degree. How do you say? The temperature. 180, the temperature. So if you need 180, it takes about 30 minutes. So this is about control panel. Then we come to the core function. So the first we come to the pre-milling. The first function is pre-milling. Make the panel edge straighter for better fitting. And the next, after pre-milling, here is the gluing. This is the glue box. Now it's fixed. Look, it's fixed because we didn't open the temperature, so it's fixed. The gluer is fixed. Only you open the heating, the glue will melt. And then, so this is the gluing part. This offers the even glue application, no overflow and no missing. So this is gluing, and then we come to the end trimming. The end trimming part. This function can trim both ends of the edge band neatly. So this is the end trimming part. And then next, we come to the fine trimming. So first, okay, review. First, we come to the pre-milling, and then the gluing, then end trimming, then we have another trimming. First end trimming. This is fine trimming. What do you mean fine trimming? If you do the edge banding before, we will know end trimming. End trimming means this side, these two sides. Fine trimming means this. Then this fourth side will don't have any fur. It's smooth, very beautiful, right? So this is about end trimming and fine trimming. then we come to the fixed. Sorry. So after end trimming and fine trimming, we come to the scrap. That makes the edge more smoother and flatter. Okay, the final one is buffing. Final polishing for brighter and better hand feel. One machine completes the whole edge banding process without secondary processing. So, let me tell you the practical parameters of this machine. For this machine, we can handle the panel thickness is about, the panel thickness range is 10 to 60 millimeter, and the edge band thickness is 0.4 to 3 millimeter, suitable for thin and thin band. Minimum panel width will be over 60 millimeter, and minimum panel length is over 150 millimeter. The fitting speed is 15 to 19 meters per minute. It's very stable and efficient. Electrical configuration, our standard voltage is 380 volt and 50 hertz and 3 phases. If your country use different voltage, we also can change. That depends on your country, and we also can customize. Air pressure of this machine is 0.6 MPa. For stable running, total power of this machine is 12.3 kilowatts. Sufficient power and reasonable energy consumption. The machine weight of this machine is about 1,000 kilograms. It's very heavy and stable, no shaking, high precision. In short, this XR1100J automatic edge band machine is full function, fast, stable, and easy to operation. It is suitable for all kinds of furniture factories, custom home factories, and panel processing factories. The finished products are beautiful, firm, and high quality. You can see. It is a very reliable choice for your own use or dealer stock. So this is automatic edge band machine. Now we come to the manual edge band machine. So next, let me introduce our economical, practical, and flexible manual edge band machine. Let's change the view. Now this is better, right? Okay, this is better. Let me introduce our economical, practical, and flexible manual edge band machine. It is perfect for startup furniture factories, small workshop, decoration companies, sample makers, and customers who need small batch production, on-site repair, or special shape parts processing. The biggest highlight of this is it can process not only straight edges, but also curved edges, ARC edges, and special shape edges perfectly. This flexibility makes it extremely popular among small factories and custom workshops. It requires no complicated installation, no large space, no professional operators. It's easy to learn, portable, low cost, and extremely reliable. Ideal for users with limited budget, low output, but need to sew both straight and curved edges. Operation is very simple. Let's come to the control panel. So here is the feeding control, and here is the time control, and this is the temperature control, and this is open and stop. And here you can open the motor, and here you can change whether straight or curve. This means straight, this means curve edge bending, and this control the cut. So when you're using this machine, and then you need to cut, push this, and also it can automatically cut. So this operation is very simple. Manual feeding, even gluing, simultaneous edge bending, all in one stop. It's easily handled straight edge bending and curved or arc edge bending. Fully suitable for small batch production, sample making, one-site repair, after service, and special shaped processing. The key parameters of this machine is about the edge sealing width is 10 to 50 millimeters range, and edge sealing tap thickness, edge sealing band thickness is 0.3 to 30 millimeters. The minimum radius of curved edges is 20 millimeter. Feeding speed of this machine is 0 to 15 meter per minute. The motor power of this machine is 1.4 kilowatt. So, although this is a manual model, it provides even glues, firm adhesions, and no bubbling. The edge bending effect fully meets the quality requirements of small orders for both domestic and overseas makers. If you don't want to invest in full automatic machine, but need a flexible machine that can seal both straight and curved edges. This manual edge banding machine is your most stable and cost-effective choice. Now finally, let's make a clear comparison between XR1100J automatic and manual edge banding machine. So the processing range, automatic can mainly for the mass straight edge banding, fast and high quality. For the manual edge banding machine, it's mainly used for the straight and curved or arced or irregular edges, super flexible. About the output and efficiency, automatic is for large-scale continuous production, labor saving. For the manual one, is for small batches and samples repair. It's very easy and flexible. Third, about the finishing quality, the automatic is with pre-milling, fine trimming and buffing, glue line free and high grade finish. For the manual one, it's only basic edge banding. But it can work for curves. It's practical and cost-effective. The first of their difference is investment and usage. For big factory and mass production, high standard, you must choose XR1100J, automatic one. So small factory, you only do some samples, and you need to do some curve parts, and you only have limited budget. You can choose the manual edge banding machine. So in one sentence, choose automatic for output, quality, and efficiency. Choose manual for flexibility and curve edges and low cost. We have both models in stock with stable quality and reliable after sales. Just choose according to your needs. That's all for today's introduction for two edge banding machines. If you want quotation, parameters, or shipping details, please send us a private message or click the link below. We will reply to you one by one. So this is our live stream topic. First live stream topic is edge banding machine. If you want to know more about before, the last live stream we talked before is cut-off saw and about round rod making machine. You can send a message to us, and then I will introduce to you. The last time some customer asked me about the round bar machine, so I will introduce you again. So I just give you a brief overview of the edge banding machine. Now let's focus on the round bar machine series. And we especially picked 3 series core models. The first one is MB901. The second one is MC9050B. The third one is MM2012A. This is planned in detail for you whether you are processing broom handles, mop handles, or other round bar wood product, whether it is mass production or small batch processing. One of these three models will suit you. We will talk about real machines and report hard parameters throughout. No ambiguous words. After watching, you will know which one is most suitable for your factory. And dealers can also clearly know the core selling points of each model to facilitate stock preparation. So the first model is MB901, which is our main high-efficiency mass production model. This is specially designed for large batch round bar processing. It can easily handle both hardwood and softwood, especially suitable for factories making broom handles and mop handles, which can directly maximize the efficiency of mass production. So this one is the basic regular one. This high efficient round bar machine can make different shape. Not the end, but the full shape. You can see this one is customized. You can see here even have some curves. We perfectly do it. And also mainly we use this machine to make some round bar like this. This size mainly used in the broomstick. And this small, even smaller we can make. The smallest we can make is about 10 millimeters, the diameter. The diameter, the minimum we can do is 10 millimeter. We have a customer that made narrow, do you know? Like this. And also, we have other machine to make the end, round end. We have another machine to make this round end, double round end. But it's not in our live stream. Maybe someday, if you want to know about the round end machine, you can type private message to me. You can send a private message to me, then I will introduce this round end machine. But this is not the topic today. The topic today of our live stream, is round bar machine. And the first topic of live stream today is edge bender machine. The second topic, we come to the second topic, is round bar machine. So we just look the finished product of this machine. Now we come to the parameter. About 901 parameter. This one can maximum process the width is 10 to 100 millimeter, and the height, and the maximum processing height is 40 millimeter, which can fully meet the processing needs of most round bars on the market. Feeding speed is 6 to 20 meters per minute. Spindle speed up to 8,500 RPM. Fast processing speed and guaranteed precision. In terms of power, it is even more powerful. The up and lower spindle power are 5.5 kilowatts each. The feeding motor is 1.5 kilowatts, and the total power is 12.5 kilowatts. It has sufficient power and can run steadily at high intensity for a long time without frequent shutdown for rest. The core adventure of this model is a five groups of feeding wheels design. The front three, and the rear two. Total 5 groups of feeding wheels design, which makes feeding more stable and uniform, without jamming or deviation. The processed round bar has a smooth surface and no burrs, which can directly enter the next process without secondary grinding, saving labor and time. Moreover, its standard voltage is 380 volts and 50 Hz and 3 phases, which is suitable for the voltage of most of our factory. Also, if your factory uses different voltage, you can also send a message to me. We can customize as your requirement. In addition, we also have an exclusive YouTube video link. If you want to watch the operation demonstration, you can send us a private message later to get it and directly see its processing effect. So that's a high efficient round bar making machine. After talking about the high efficiency round bar making machine, we will talk about single round bar making machine. This one is more economical and practical. This model focuses on high cost performance suitable for small and medium-sized factories and small batch processing, or bosses who has just started round bar processing. It is affordable, stable, and reliable, and you can buy useful equipment without spending a lot of money. So this one is more economical, and the high efficiency round bar making machine is a little bit high cost. So let's first look at the parameters. Although this is an economical model, its performance is not ambiguous at all. Main motor is 3 kilowatts. Feeding motor is 0.75 kilowatts. Spindle speed will be 4,000 RPM. Feeding speed has 2 gears. One is 3, one is 5 meters per minute, suitable for different processing needs. Processing diameter of this machine is 15 to 50 millimeter. Minimum processing length will be 500 mm, which can process both conventional round bars and slightly longer round bars. The most worry-free part of this model is that you only need to replace positioning sleeves to process round bars of different size. The replacement is very simple and low cost. Let's show you. No need to equip an additional set of equipment. One machine can meet the needs of multiple sizes. We open the cover. We open the cover here. It's not good to show you. Can you see? Only change the positioning sleeves and the knife position. It's very simple. Just lose some sleeves, lose some screws, all done. So let's see. We have many woodworking machine, but solid wood machine, panel machine, we all have. Also, I know everyone worries about one thing when buying equipment. What if something goes wrong? Production delays can be costly. Now, I can give you, let me put your mind at ease. Regarding the core power of this machine, the motor, we offer a directly 6 months warranties. For any non-artificial damage, we've got you covered. More important is, we provide 24/7 online service. No matter which country you are in, if you encounter problems during your day, or if it's night where you are, but daytime here, just reach out to us via our group or back end, and our engineer will provide remote assistance in 12 hours. You're not just buying a machine, you're buying a technical team ready to solve problems anytime. If you are a startup shop looking for a rest, durable machine to begin with, this one or our machine might be above your budget, but if your orders are stable and you want to improve yield and reduce long-term maintenance costs, this medium to high-end machine is definitely worth an investment. If you don't have high budget, we also have some economical model for you. So the maintenance time saved, the material waste reduced. That's extra profit for you. Since we showcase different machines in each live stream, I can't give you a fixed FOB price or configuration list right here. If you want to know more about our equipment or our company, or if you would like to see how it processed in a real panels you are working with, please send a private message to me directly or click the icon below to contact us. Send us your requirements, like your panel type, your processing dimensions, and our seller will provide you with a tolerate solution. Okay, today's live stream is almost over. Thank you very much for your stay and support. The medium to high-end woodworking machine today, we can stand the test of everyone in terms of usage, like parameters, materials, and after-sales service. It is suitable for the daily production of our furniture factory and wood products factories, and also suitable for our dealers to stock and sell. If you still have unanswered questions or want to know more detailed product information and quotes, please click the link below or send us a private message. We will arrange professional staff to connect with you one by one and give you a detailed introduction and exclusive discount. Finally, I would like to remind everyone again to click the follow button in the upper left corner. In the future, we will bring more live streams of woodworking machines of different models. Each model has a detailed introduction and exclusive benefit, so don't miss it. Thank you again for your support. See you in our next live stream. Bye bye.